So my mother-in-law gave me this ice cream maker. She was cleaning out her garage and wanted to get rid of it. So I thought, hey, I can make this into a little wooden flour barrel. I love those, but unfortunately I don't have room for a large flour barrel because I just have a stump in my front yard. So I thought this will fit perfect. So the first thing I did was drill holes in the bottom to allow the water to drain when it rains or when I water the plants myself. This is important so the water won't get all clogged up and make the plant moldy. Next, I grabbed some of my wood stain. This is available at Home Depot, Lowe's, probably Ace carries it as well. I'm sure Walmart and all those other stores. And just a wide paintbrush or regular paintbrush, I guess. And then I poured it into an old thermos that I don't use for drinking anymore, obviously. And then I just started painting the entire barrel. This did take a couple days because I let it dry out, and then when it was dry the next day, I just flipped it over on its other side and started painting. Next, I bought some beautiful mums from our local nursery, and then a bag of potting soil that I've had for far too long, and just poured it into the bucket, into the barrel, and put the mums in. And then when the mums were placed into the flower barrel, put them outside on our little stump, and it looks very cute with all the fall decor.